Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Allura extension to your Chrome. Allura is a great platform and extension for you to use if you're a seller on Etsy. It gives information and details about other sellers from which you can learn and improve your business as well. So let's dive into it. In order for you to add Allura extension to your Chrome, you have to open Chrome and then click on these three dots. From here, you'll see this extension option. From there, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Here you can search the name of your themes and extensions. I'll type in Allura, and here's my Allura extension. As you can see, other alternatives are available as well. So if Allura doesn't work for you for some reason, you can check them out. Click on it, and to add it to your Chrome, you simply have to click on this one, and here's a little warning. It says that it can read and change your data on all Allura.io sites. You don't have to worry about this because it only reads data on Etsy. There is no other website that it will read your data from, so it's completely safe to use. Click on Add Extension and it will start downloading. While it's downloading, let's take a look at its overview. Here are some features mentioned, and here are some reasons mentioned why Allura is a must-have for every Etsy seller. Allura has been downloaded. Click on it and it will open this page. As you can see, it's written Allura installed. So if your Allura was installed successfully, you'll have this page. From here, I have three options: Analyze Shop, Analyze Listing, and Analyze Search. I'll click on Analyze Shop and Etsy will be opened in another page. Here, for example, if I'm selling shirts, I'll type in shirts, and as you can see, here is the Allura logo. Simply click on it for it to start taking in effect. Here's the overview of shirts. As you can see, it had 124 sales per month. The revenue was $1,300, and the average price for the shirts was $14 this month. If you want to know for all the time, then the sales and the revenue has been changed, but the price has been remained the same. So therefore, this is actually the average price of the shirts on Etsy. Now scrolling down, here you'll have the names of the shops selling the shirts, and here will be some information about them. So for example, for this shop, the monthly sales was 22, overall sale was 34, and their monthly revenue is certain, their overall revenue is certain. LQS for these shop is given, and the average price and also the category of these shops is given. And lastly, the names of the shops are mentioned as well. Now let's scroll back, and I can scroll down, and as you can see, a bunch of shops are available here with their data. Well, I don't have the premium, so only the selected shops and their data will be visible to me and not all of the shops. Now let's look for a shop that had the most sales. So for example, this shop had 2,000 sales per month. So if I want to know more about this shop, I'll simply click on it and it will appear here. Here is the listing report of this shop. Now if I scroll down, here's the overview of this shop available. You can look at the overview of last 12 months or all time. I don't have the premium feature, so I won't be able to see the historical sales and revenue data, but if you are a seller on Etsy, then this will be pretty useful for you. So I recommend getting this. Here are the details available. Here are the stats, the details, the specifications. This shop hasn't mentioned the specifications, so nothing is visible here. Here's information about their delivery. They have free shipping and they don't take any time to process their orders because they sell digital products. Now scrolling down, we have tags. From here, I can select a few tags and copy them from here and paste them on my page, or I can select all of them and copy them on my page. This feature seems pretty useful. Now scrolling down, here is the list quality score, also known as LQS. Here are some tips available for it to reach 100, so you can also use these tips and make sure your shop also has these available so that your LQS will increase. And scrolling down, we have reviews here. It had 5 stars 88% of the times and 4 stars 5% of the time. So this shop has pretty good reviews. You can definitely get inspiration from them and learn from them. Now scrolling down, here's the profit margin of the shop. The profit margin was 79, so they had a lot of profit and you can get inspiration from this shop. Scrolling down here, we have similar products. We had selected this shop. It sells digital products, therefore all of these similar products are also digital products. As you can see, all of these have good rating, therefore you can get inspired by them, and if you sell digital products, you can learn from these shops and these products as well. That's pretty much it about this one. Let's close it, and from here you can search keywords. So keywords are important on Etsy. You can search any of the keywords and optimize your listing. Here's the shop analyzer, so if you want to analyze any of the shop, you can write its name here, or you can paste the URL of that shop. Next up here is the research savers. So if you saved any keywords, it will show up here, and if you saved listings, your listings would be here and your saved shops would appear here. That's pretty much it. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, make sure you like the video, and I'll see you in next video with another topic.